We have been toying with the idea of adding some special menu items to the food truck menu, maybe weekly specials, maybe a daily special. Not really sure how that's going to go yet, but either way, the fun part about the whole thing is I get to make up kind of what we're thinking and try it out. And today I'm doing just that. Today we're going to make us a double smash burger, but it's going to have pimento cheese. It's going to have bacon. It's going to have Mike's hot honey. So pimento cheese with bacon is always delicious, but you add a little bit of Mike's hot honey to it, add a little sweetness, a little spiciness. I really think it's going to kick it up to another level and take this burger to a place that it needs to be, called a special. So we need to get on to cooking this thing. I don't think it's going to take long at all. So go on and fire up that Blackstone and get that thing heating up, because we really don't have a whole lot of prep to do. Make up the hamburger balls. That's about it. And then we're going to get to cooking. So to start off with, let's move some things around here. We have us about a 1 pound pack of some ground chuck, some 80-20. So what I'm going to do is just kind of divide that into half and the quarters. Make us out maybe, quarter pound hamburger balls here, roughly. Don't have to be perfect, don't have to be exact, just got to be good. And there you go. 2 of them. Probably end up making, another smash burger for the kids. So I might as well go ahead and make this one up too and get them ready. And there you go. You have 4 hamburger balls made up just that quick. That's the good thing about buying hamburger in 1 pound packs. Makes it easy to divide. So we have 4 hamburger balls here. I have some bacon. And we have some pimento cheese already here. The Mike's hot honey. Looks like we're ready to go. Let's go check on our griddle. Come on. Well, I'm seeing now why smoking. You know what that means. It means it's time to get some groceries done on this griddle. Tongs work. Let's get this bacon going. Man, love that sizzle. Perfect way to start the day, end the day, or just continue the day is with bacon on that Blackstone. Love it. Now, normally I would use thick sliced bacon for burgers or whatever, but it's just what I happen to have already with some thin sliced bacon, so this will work. Nothing wrong with that. Hey, bacon is bacon. I'll take it however you give it to me. Now, I don't know about you, but sometimes I just go ahead and flip my bacon more than once. But let's go ahead and give all this bacon here a good flip. And once might be enough for this one. Because, well, sometimes you like it crispy, sometimes you like it floppy, sometimes you just like it however you can get it. I gotta know, I ask all the time, do you like it crispy, floppy, or just throw the bacon on the plate? I don't care how you give it to me. Where you stand on that? Me personally, kind of right in there is where I like my bacon. That's pretty much where I like it. I don't want it crispy like it's like, gonna break it in half and crumble everywhere. But I don't like it real floppy either, like this right here. So yeah, right about there is where I like mine. So being this bacon is about done where I want it, I'm gonna go ahead and take it and just move it on over here. Just kind of let it finish just doing its thing way over here. A little cooler side of the griddle. And now, it is time. It is time to get to smashing. So I'm gonna throw 2 of these down right here in this bacon grease. I'm gonna cook the other 2 later for the kids. They don't care for pimento cheese, so I'm not gonna make 2 of these burgers. I'm only gonna make 1. But you grab up your smasher. I love this smasher right here. Let's smash it on down. Hold for about 10 seconds. Ain't gotta be perfect. Looks good to me. Looks good to me. Now, we need, here it is, seasoning. Use whatever kind of seasoning you like. Of course, I'm gonna use mine. Speaking of which, we are still working on getting it bottled. We're sending samples back and forth, trying to get it like this right here, trying to get the taste right. But once it's right, it's gonna be on the market. So be on the lookout for that. But right now, let's get some on these burgers. And yes, this is what I use on my food trailer. So if you ever stop by the food trailer, you are getting the Crazy Pop seasoning on that burger, and we've had a lot of great feedback about it. So far, unless nobody's told me, everybody loves it so far. Now these burgers have been going a little bit. Let's give them a flip here. Oh yeah, looking good, looking good. Now, believe it or not, we can go ahead and build a little bit. Wait a minute, I almost forgot something. I need more seasoning. More seasoning first. Now we can go ahead and kind of build a little bit. We're gonna grab up our pimento cheese right here and go ahead and put it on here. I don't know about you, but I love a good bit of pimento cheese on my burgers. Take some of this and put on this one, because we're gonna put pimento cheese on both patties. Make them right. How about that? A little bit more right here. That works. Now we're gonna grab up our buns, put them right there and just let them kind of toast. Then you're gonna grab up your tongs. Yeah, they're still working. And let's go ahead and drag this bacon over here. We're gonna put 2 on each one. 2 big old slices of bacon on each one. There we go. Telling you right now, this comes together quick, fast, and in a hurry, just the way I like my smash burgers. That's the great thing about smash burgers. They come together really quick. But this right here, I think it's gonna be amazing. A little toast on them buns already. Look at there. Won't be long now. I mean, look at how good them burgers right there look. It's gonna be on these toasted buns right here too. Yes, sir. This is gonna be so good. Now it's time to put this thing together. Let's grab up our bun right here and we'll place that right there. Oh yeah, perfect, perfect. Let's get this, and we'll turn this bacon kind of the opposite way. That way there's bacon falling off everywhere. Grab this bun. Look at that toast, y'all. Now, let's take it over here and finish it up. Come on. I'm going to tell you right now, that is a good-looking burger already, but we're not done with it. I know it's going to be good tasting because I've made the pimento cheese bacon burgers before. Matter of fact, I got a really good friend, Michael, who loves, this is actually his go-to pimento cheese with bacon. We're going to spice things up, sweeten things up a little bit. We're going to add, let's get this honey on down here. We're going to add a drizzle of this Mike's Hot Honey on here. There we go. One more thing to do, and that is to top it off. And it's done, y'all. Now, I will say on the truck, you can add lettuce, pickle, tomato, you know, jalapeno. There's all kind of toppings you can do to this. But honestly, I really feel like this is all we're going to need. But let me show you this up close. Take a couple pictures, couple reels, and then I'm going to try it out and see if it's worth putting on the food truck or not. Give you a close-up view at this massive double pimento cheese with bacon and hot honey smash burger. I mean, look at the crust on that burger, that hot honey, all that good juicy pimento cheese. Yes, sir. Good bacon. Oh yeah, this is gonna be good. So what do you think about that? Now that is a burger. I gotta bite into it now though. That's my job. My job is, you know, I'm doing quality control. That's what this is. It's not really, it's just a job. I have to do this, quality control. Gotta try it out. Wow. Y'all. Wow. That is good. That is real good. You know, my seasoning on them burgers, love it. That pimento cheese, always a great choice. Add bacon, can never go wrong. But you add in this Mike's Hot Honey, it adds a little bit of just a touch of sweetness and just a touch of spicy. But it just mixes together so well with that pimento cheese and then that seasoning. Just it all comes together. This is delicious. This is definitely going on the food truck as a special. I don't know when. So if you ever come visit me, maybe it'll be on there and you can try it. We have some other ideas. If you have any ideas for, you know, special smash burgers or whatever, Let me know down below in the comments. I love hearing your ideas. I love hearing your different variations. Love hearing all of that. So hit me up down there in the comments. Let me know what you do different to this. What would you add to this? Jalapenos, bacon, more bacon, lettuce, whatever. But let me know. Right now, I'm going to take this inside, see if the other kids want to try it. I'm going to fix to cook another burger. We'll see you next time.